Okay, so this is the bottom latch for my extended cab 2002 Ford Ranger, and the truck originally came with this piece plastic. I replaced it as well as the bottom latch itself, and it worked good for a while. But what happened today was that the cable came out of here and came loose, and my door wouldn't unlock. Fortunately, I had the panel off already, had never replaced it, so I was able to, from the inside of the truck, push down on this and get the door unlocked so that I could take the latch out and find out exactly what was going on, which was, like I said, this piece that came out. It's just not supposed to just be a little bit of pressure on it to hold it in there, but I think what I'm going to do now that I've got it back in is probably put a small tie wrap around here to hold it in place, and then it will be supported by the original bracket that it was designed for. If if the tie wrap will just hold it in place, hopefully that will work.